All right, when we solve an equation like this, we will want to use factoring. Begin by factoring out the greatest common factor that all these terms have. Well, there's only two terms, and the only thing they have in common is a factor of x. Check your factoring by multiplying x times this group and distributing and seeing if you get, checking if you get what you started with. X times x is x squared minus x times 9 is 9x, so we do. Once it's factored, you can take each factor all by itself and set it equal to 0. This is called the zero product property. If you multiply two factors and the product is 0, then one of those factors must be 0. So it's either the first one or the second one. We're trying to find values of x. We found one of them, and the other one is x equals 9. This problem is done. If you'd like to try another one for practice, then keep watching the video. Here's another one you could try. If you'd like to try this, then pause the video, give it a shot. And when you're ready, hit play and see the answer. The greatest common factor for each of these will be 3m. Not 3m squared, just 3m. Because the biggest power of m in this term is just m to the 1. So, what remains after we factor out 3m? What would you have to multiply 3m by to get each of these terms? M squared minus 9 is the answer. Now this expression actually, well, let's just go ahead and do it the way we talked about last time. At this stage, we have one factor, two factors, and when they multiply, the product is 0. The zero product property tells us one of these factors must be 0. So either 3m is 0 or m squared minus 9 is 0. If 3m is equal to 0, when we divide both sides by 3, we have one of our solutions. If m squared minus 9 is equal to 0, then we can add 9 to both sides, and we'll have n squared equals 9. And then we can take the square root of both sides, and be careful, don't forget, we need to do positive or negative. So m is equal to positive 3 or negative 3. The square root of 9 is 3. Those are the solutions for this problem.